Channel. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how to create animated toggle. It's quite easy. Let's get started. So first thing, let's create a frame, a smaller frame like this. I'll make it rounded, and inside this I will make some circle like this, adjust in a center, just in center. Okay, it's perfect. Now I'll give it some color, make it look like a disabled state. Okay, like this. And now make it component and add a variant of it, and now select the second one and select this circle and put it in the right side, and you can give it a color like red. You can play with the background color also like this. Now it looks like enabled, so top one is disabled, this one is enabled. Now go to the prototype, select the first one and drag it, and on click we want it smart animate. And if we basically select the second one and add a prototype for it also, and on click smart animate, and if I click on this it will on it, if I click on this it will off it. So now go to assets, drag your component, and let's play it, preview, and here we go. If I click on it, it's working nicely. We can play with the value of these colors though, sorry, not colors, but basically the speed of this transition. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.